Yo, what's up, YouTube? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another reaction video, guys. I want you all to subscribe to this channel, and so we can keep the channel moving. You guys just watching the videos and you're not subscribing, guys, please subscribe to this channel as you're watching this video, and as you do that, I appreciate. So guys, we want to make a reaction to Lyrical Joe, Two Birds. You know what I mean? Let's listen to this track. Shout out to Lyrical Joe. I love his he's been making some diss track to Caldinero, and this is on this Two Birds diss track, I think, but I really don't know if it's for Caldinero or Jovi. So guys, please guys, make sure you click on that subscribe button right now before we move, and as you do that, let's move straight to this music. Let's listen, guys.
Me, I'm a beast, man. I don't care about you kings and gods or whatever the F y'all niggas think y'all at. From this side, we give respect to who gives respect.
Yeah, Lyrical Joe is a Ghanaian, yeah. So yeah, this Caldinero on the Holocaust, and now he's Two Birds. So I don't know if this is for Caldinero or I think Jovial. I don't know really. So guys, let's just keep on listening.
You mad at me? Called me pig, so I dragged you in the mud with me. You said it's all about lyrical ability, when I'm the only lyrical here. Show me your ability. Let's say I'm not a star, I'm an underground artist. Yeah, I don't have followers, I don't have blue ticks, I don't play big shows, I'm not an A-list. Let's say in my own country, I'm not the topic. I just gave you the dirt on me. I'm just wondering how I became your rivalry. First 10K views your fans gave me, but when you do a good job, they gotta pay you, B. Man, what is this you niggas worshiping? Question. A God that is lacking in creativity? Question. Your fans about to die and start posting your tweets since you a God and Twitter is where your heaven is. Household name in Cameroon? How? I analyzed this shit and got the answer. Okay, I realized what it takes to be a star in Cameroon is what it takes to be underground in Ghana. I'm not original cause I rap like a foreigner.
What it takes to be a star in Cameroon, yeah, that's for you, Jovi, I think. Yeah, it's like underground in Ghanaian music. That's hard.
Which foreign artists are you better than? Show me the rapper copying your style who's being heard in Ghana like I'm being heard in your country now. I heard replies from your little dummies. They all rapping like they never get food. What have you been cooking, G? You're hurt? Time heals. But if you keep rapping like that, you can't afford a rollie. Since I dropped, you always in your feelings, bro. I'm just whooping your ass that I'm out. Adios. Listen, yo, I'm steady sweeping people off their feet. You drop so much trash, you should be sweeping studios. Don't beef. I'm in the building, you know it. I came from the concrete. I put my life on it.
So much trash sweeping in the studio.
You rappers are coming for me in this conflict. I heard you wrote a song for Akon with no bars, that's why you couldn't become a convict. But you look like 60 years. How old are you, man? I heard you've been doing this for long. Is that true, man? Not even a local award. You just like me, man. Check my YouTube. My views are very small, like your achievements. So Jovi, why you trying to beef that? My nigga, fame, cars, wealth. Man, I thought you had that. I thought all to gain recognition as a top notch. Such a head and still opportunity never knocked. You too grown, I can't even say you kidding me. You look like a rapist, but still begging to penetrate. You got a label named New Bells, but the last time we checked, your label hasn't been ringing shit. Disrespectful, mess with me, I put you on my plate. Claiming top 5 in the country where rappers are not up to date. I had to point my gun down to kill you, I lowered my aim. Didn't feel like I was taking a shot at the top artist. I'm here. Only place you rob the people blind. Your head, that's what's been blocking upcoming shine. You already lost, but choosing to reply me is like saying I'd rather be killed than to commit a suicide. Shouldn't have dissed me on mentality. You killed yourself, but go ahead, do a tribute song for yourself. Oh, I forgot you dead. It's very sad. You're just a ghost. Well, that's a chance for you to ghost write for yourself. A man who took rap as a hobby, that's why you drop gay bars. Use facts to come at you, but do your life got facts? You've been an ass for so long, dude. Your life got facts. There's no F to your facts, so all you do is act on Twitter.
No F to your facts. All you do is act.
The F up. A grown man like you should never be chasing this cloud. And this is what happens when a country let you fill up a stadium without checking if you filled your head up. I give you the privilege to come at Africans' finest. Only way I could be underground in Sierra Leone is I'm a diamond. Silence. Y'all are not my competition. Stone in the hand of David, I normally go for giants. Beast.
Wow, man, that was hard. That's hard by Lyrical Joe there, and that's a diss track on Jovi and Carl, I think. Yeah, two birds. Shout out to Lyrical Joe. Let's keep on coming with the music, good music from you guys, and thank you for watching these reaction videos, guys. I hope you click on that subscribe button and be part of the family, so we can go on with more reactions on this channel like this. Peace out, guys.